Good morning everyone. It's currently 4:58 a.m. right now and I'm on my way to my morning training. I'm so sleepy guys. Morning.
So hey guys, lumalangay pa si Janelle. Katapos ang 3x3 namin. Kakatapos lang ng underwaters namin. And si
Yeah.
Janelle.
Haba ng workout.
I like the workout. It's fun.
I don't like it.
So guys, aahon na daw si Janelle kahit wala siyang class. Ang daya, di ba? Comment down below. Wala namang 7 si Janelle, di ba?
Wala 7 si Janelle.
Yung idol niya na.
A day in my life as a student athlete in DLSU. Let's go. Ito siya, walang 7 o'clock.
Wala namang 7 yun eh.